Hi, Sharon here with Transformation Physical Therapy and thehealthyrunner.com. We're going to go over today some upper body mobility exercises to help you when you're feeling tight. These are great if you're having shoulder pain or you're just feeling stiff through your mid-back or even in your neck. This can help a lot with those. So we're going to start off using the foam roller for a few things. So the first one, you're going to lay on top of the foam roller so that it's along your spine and your head is resting on the foam roller. You're going to start off just resting your arms out to the side and letting that open your chest a little bit. After you've sat there for a couple minutes, the next part is just to get a little bit of shoulder mobility here, reaching. You want your thumb touching the floor when you're going over your head to help keep that shoulder joint in a good position. And then the next one, you're going to do your thumbs to your pockets and then into a Y. Thumbs to pockets, up into a Y. Okay, and then you're going to put both hands towards the ceiling and you're going to punch one at a time, keeping those elbows straight. And you want to try really hard not to get your shoulders up towards your ears, so keep them nice and low. That's just loosening up some of that mid-back and your shoulder joint. So after that series, you can put the foam roller the opposite direction. So now it's perpendicular to your body, and you're going to start at your lower rib cage, and you're just going to gently rest your hands behind your head, and reach back. You might hear a little popping and cracking. That's all normal. You're just going to move little by little to what feels comfortable for you. Okay. And then next one, you're going to use the foam roller and just reaching kind of into a prayer stretch, but reaching your hands out in front of you and sinking your body down. You want to make sure your thumbs are pointed up so that this doesn't bother your shoulder joint. All right. And then we're going to do my all-time favorite, using a lacrosse ball. You can also use a tennis ball. You're going to take this and put it under your shoulder blade. This is the most common place that people get tight that I work with, and this can cause a lot of relief and help that shoulder move a lot better. So you're going to tuck it right under your shoulder blade. So you're kind of trying to hit the back of your shoulder blade, and you're going to roll onto that shoulder blade. You want to kind of find those tight spots and hold them there and move gently. So that's getting through the infraspinatus and some of the, a little bit of the teres muscle as well. Okay, now we're going to finish with a nice shoulder internal rotation stretch that will help loosen up that shoulder. So you're going to lay on that shoulder that you're stretching, and you're going to put your other hand on top of that hand, and you're going to push up into your top hand and then relax as you let the weight of your top hand push down into your other hand. So press up and then relax. Press up and then relax. And you can do these on the other side as well. So back with that lacrosse ball, you're going to just roll that out the back of the shoulder blade, finding those tight spots. And then with your arm underneath you, you're going to press into your hand and then let it relax. Press into your hand and let it relax. All right, hopefully these help you feel a little bit looser in those shoulders, the upper back, maybe even your neck.